If you want to scan a QR code on iPhone 16e, you have two main ways to do so. The first method is by opening the camera, and then you need to simply point your camera at the QR code. If the QR code is detected, then you will see the link over here at the bottom. You can tap on it in order to immediately open it in the browser, or you can tap on this QR code icon in the bottom right corner of the camera preview in order to share it, copy the link, add to reading list, or opening the browser again. The second method is by going to the control center, so you can swipe on the right side of the phone from the top towards the middle like this. You should be able to find the QR code button here. You can tap on the QR code button in order to open it. Once again, put the QR code within the frame, and you should be able to immediately open it, the link in the browser. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.